Hello gurus and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to look at Bitcoin. It's not really moving much, staying in a very tight range. Usually when Bitcoin builds pressure like this and doesn't move for a long time, a lot of people get bored. And then unfortunately there is usually a dump when it does do this. Let's see though, we're going to look on the technicals. I'm also going to show you an altcoin that I really like at these prices and where I'm going to put buying levels. Also, I bought a lot of Coinbase, Facebook, and Tesla. If you've been following my live trades, the join button is down there. You see my live trades as I make them in the market. Coinbase had a huge pump, big recovery. Also Facebook, so I made huge gains from that. But I really like Coinbase still, where it is right now, accumulating, even Facebook as well. Hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. Let's jump. Oh, and by the way, I'm in amazing Switzerland right now. It's so beautiful. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. To the technicals, right now the most of the market is in the red. Coinbase is up 3.8%, which is beautiful. DYDX up 3%, CRV is up 2%, but most of the rest of the market is down. Airbnb down 5%, Uber down 5%, ApeCoin down 4%. Most of it down at the moment. We're going to look at Bitcoin first, then go into some of the things, the alt that I'll be buying. So Bitcoin did choose to break to the downside just now, and it doesn't look so healthy at the moment. We did break out. If we zoom out on the 4-hourly, we broke out of the descending wedge to the upside. But after this breakout, this is a descending triangle, sorry. And usually this happens when you build pressure descending, going with the trend, it breaks to the upside. 42K will be the target, but it's lost momentum. It's kind of just stuck there. And we are making lower lows. Now if we move the trend line here, you can see we're just making low lows, but it is building a bigger descending triangle actually, which is quite interesting. If I adjust this, you learn technical analysis. You can learn with my 6,000 students in the crypto master course. We are building a bigger descending triangle. If it does manage to break out, 43,000 would be the target, which is interesting. We have a big support here at the 38,000 here, 38,000, but it could be breaking down towards the bottom of this descending triangle, 36,700. But we do have a lot of support here. So I do expect it to actually be holding. If we zoom out, you can see that Bitcoin at this point here at the 36,700 has so much support going back a very long time, going back to 2021. It's just got a lot of support around this area. So it's going to take a while for it to break down. There's a lot of selling pressure, not much buying. But there is quite a lot of volume coming in at the same time. On the daily, RSI is oversold, but still heading down. Stochastic also oversold, turning up. MACD is oversold, turning up. On the 4-hourly, RSI is midway, heading down. Stochastic is heading down. MACD is turning to head down. So unfortunately, it does look like Bitcoin will be going down to the bottom here of 36,700. I could close my trade here. My long on Bitcoin is still in the negative. It's down around 800, but we're on a major support, so I'm going to keep it open. But I do expect it actually to be coming down to 36,700, bouncing, and then most likely heading up. EMA ribbons were underneath them. We got rejected from the EMA ribbons again. Every time we go into the EMA ribbons, we do get rejected lately. Crypto Guru bot still firing a sell, hasn't fired a buy. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy, hasn't yet fired a sell. On the hourly, also RSI still heading down, stochastic heading down, MACD heading down, also not looking too good on the hourly candles as well, and low volume on the hourly. So it does look like we got rejected. We're going to be coming down to this support, 37,400. I'm going to show you my trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, in the description and the pinned comment, I'll show you down below under the video. Smash up the thumbs up button. Let's get thousands of likes on this video. Everyone hit the subscribe button. Join 74,000 subscribers now on your phone underneath. Click the join button to join the YouTube membership, where you see my live trades that I make in stocks and cryptos, when I buy, the prices I buy, and what I buy. You see me buy and sell. You get live notifications from YouTube on your phone. And Bitcoin trading on Bybit, I'm using this trading software to trade. You get a sign-up bonus of $4,100 when you sign up to Bybit and start trading. Over on Bybit, I've got $205,000 in here. 204,800 US. Bit, I'm holding 48,000 of. Bitcoin, I'm holding 1 Bitcoin, and CRV, I've got 8,600. CRV up 3% today. I'm liking CRV. That's the one I'm going to be buying. My Bitcoin trade is currently down $800. It's around a $30,000 trade. It's been hovering between $1,000 negative and positive $200, but it doesn't look too. I could actually close this, because if Bitcoin does come down to the bottom of this, if it does break down here, the target will be 36,900. There'll be a lot of panic in the market. I could actually close my trade and lost. The only thing, we're in a major support area here. So closing it is not such a good idea on a major support. We have a lot of support all around this area here. It can easily wick down though to 36,900. So I got to put my stop loss below 36,700. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to modify it, go lower than 36,000. Let's go 36,500. But if that happens, I'll take a $2,000 loss on this trade. I am expecting Bitcoin to go down that much. I could close it and see, but I think we've got such a strong support here. But I am inclined to think Bitcoin is coming down to 36,700 and then bouncing to head up. The altcoin that I'm also going to be buying if it does come down is CRV. CRV I really like. If I zoom out on the weekly, we're on a major area of support for CRV. You can see here we've got so much support all along here. This is I'm going to show you why I like buying CRV. It's a $1 billion value total market cap, and it's staked TVL, total value locked inside the CRV protocol, is $18 billion. So it's valued at 900 million right now, and it's got 18 billion locked in its protocol. That's why I think it's so undervalued. RSI on the weekly is heading up. Stochastic is oversold on the weekly, and MACD is also turning to head up. It can drop more if Bitcoin decides to pull back like I'm talking about. If it does, this will be an amazing buying area to buy it here. I'm going to set buy orders for CRV at $1.67. I'm going to put a lot of buy orders here. I'm going to set an alert to buy CRV at $1.67. Coinbase I've been buying a lot of. We had a big bounce back the last week. I really like this. Coinbase is the publicly traded stock of a cryptocurrency exchange. So I'm going to be buying more CRV at $1.60. If it can come down that much, $1.60, I'm going to buy $50,000 $50,000 worth of CRV at $1.60. If it does come down, that's a limit order that I'm setting. Max is 21,000 that they let you buy. So 21,000 at $1.60. So I'm buying 33,600. And then I'll make a second order for 20,000 CRV. 20,000 CRV at $1.60. So I've got two orders set at $1.60. I'm going to be buying almost 21,000, about $50,000 worth of CRV if it does pull back to $1.60. That's where it's got a major support on CRV. So I'm going to buy $50,000 worth of CRV at $1.60 if it comes back. Another really strong support is down here on CRV, $1.20. And it is possible if Bitcoin really pulls back strong, that's also a possibility that it comes down there. But unlikely. It's only if Bitcoin wicks down very strongly. $1.19 is possible. If it does come down there, I will buy a lot of CRV because this protocol is one of the biggest protocols, and I'll add more to this. So I'm going to set an alert here, $1.60 and $1.19. $1.20. I'll buy a lot of CRV if it comes down there. So that's the altcoin I'm going to buy $50,000 worth of. Those are my trades. Again, if you want to trade, underneath this video in the description, pin comment, subscribe, click the join button to follow my live trade. And trading on Bybit, you get a sign-up bonus of 4,100 US. And also go down below NordVPN if you have restrictions. You can take the crypto master course with my 6,000 students. All these links are down below. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram. On Twitter, I have 33,000 or 34,000 followers now. On Instagram, almost 12,000 followers. So go check it out. Thank you for watching, everyone. That's what I'm doing in the markets. That's the CRV. I'm going to buy $50,000 of the altcoin, and hopefully Bitcoin turns around here. It's very important that it does, or 36,800 area is the target. Hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people, smash the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.